And how if we raise kids in a dying world, I hope they'll learn to love better than us, better than us.